how to concrete a post using less cement. First, you have to dig your hole, as we did there. We dig 30 centimeters in, and you have to dig according to your post length. So the post length is 1 meter high. That means we have to dig 1/4 of the post high, which is 25 centimeters in. But we did 30, which is perfect. And to concrete the post, you can use bricks, unused bricks, for other projects or for any project you may have, to frame your post in, so that you can use less cement. And then when the post is framed with the bricks, you can concrete it, so that become one unit and stronger. So this is what we're gonna do. So that we can see that the post is framed with the bricks. Now we need to add cement and mix it with water, so that the post is stronger and robust. And we let the cement get in, the bricks. And we add a bit more cement. So, because we are using a postcrete, we dry in 5-10 minutes. In 5-10 minutes, it will be rock solid. And this is how you can concrete your post using less cement, by framing with bricks your post before concreting.